Here's an example of a commonly made mistake. I created a clearance cutout, a sketch as of now, to clear this area on this cam. Then realized, as you can see down here, this is created in the assembly, not on the part. What's a quick fix for this? Here's my preferred workaround. As I said, I forgot to edit the part, so go in, edit the part, highlight the face, select the sketch, and go to Insert, Derived Sketch. Now you have this sketch on this part edited, and you can create the cut. We want this to go all the way through. The cut is created, and then I go in. I don't want to keep this derived, so I just go in, edit it, and then select my, right click on it, say underive, and then create my parameters, my relations to the part. Collinear. I do want to drive this with numbers, as I'm not a fan, in this case, of just making it fixed. I mean, you could make this quickly a fixed sketch, but I don't want to do that. I don't like when that's done unless there's a good reason for it. I want it to be that you can edit it. That's a fairly quick fix. Thank you. Subscribe for more.